Updating your payment information on your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with the payment information you want to update. Step 2. Access payments and subscriptions. Once signed in, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. This can typically be found in the left-hand menu or under the Manage Your Google Account section. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, click on Payment Methods. Here, you will see a list of your current payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Update your payment information. To update an existing payment method, click on the pencil icon next to it. If you want to add a new payment method, click on Add Payment Method and enter the required details such as card number and expiration date. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, ensure you click the Save button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on your Google account. Regularly checking this information helps ensure smooth transactions and uninterrupted service.